Hey, Bravehearts. I just wanted to come on just for a quick second here and ask you, how many people chew gum? Do you chew gum? Okay. I crazy about chewing gum. I chew gum 24/7, and that's no joke. I'd put a piece of gum in my mouth before I go to bed. I mean, I just had it all the time, and I didn't even realize. And Dr. Wolf, he had to tell me 2 times before I finally understood that it's not good for me. Um, gum Gum is okay a little bit every now and then, maybe after you eat, but if you chew gum all the time, it activates the enzymes. It activates your whole digestive system every time you put gum in your mouth. So it thinks there's food's fixing to come in. So I encourage you to not chew gum except for after a meal, because it's okay then, because that's where you want your digestive system engaged. And another thing, if you are going to chew gum, I recommend this kind of gum. I think it's called Pure. It's Pur. And it's made with xylitol and not aspartame, which most gum has aspartame in it. Xylitol is not good for pets, so you don't want your pet to get into the gum. But if you're going to chew it, I recommend this, but limit your chewing. Okay? All right. Love y'all. See you next time. Bye-bye.